Okay, this is the motto.
Yes, so.
This is your motto, eh? So, what's the problem? It's not starting at all.
At all.
When last did you give it petrol?
Today.
There's petrol inside.
Yes.
You pump your tire.
I pump am.
Okay. What of engine oil? Is there engine oil?
Engine oil is inside.
And this one is not starting like this. Is it brand new or Tokumbo? You buy it.
Which kind of question be this now?
Open bonnet. Open bonnet. Because Oga allow you to follow me for workshop now. Ordinary IT. I'm talking you are doing that. Open bonnet.
I'll open it.
You see this your motto now, Oga. How many people are in your compound? Is there anybody in your compound that maybe you fight somebody in your compound?
Okay, I don't fight anybody for my compound. Why all this question?
Well, I just trying to get to the square root of your problem. You don't know that sometimes some people, when you are using motor like this, they will beef you. They don't like you. If they do like this and stop your motor like this, the brain burst has scattered.
Jesus.
And see your steering. See, it's brain burst problem. What?
Wait. Oga, there are a few reasons why your vehicle might not start though. It could be your battery, but how do you know it's your battery? You can come and press the horn. You expect it to make a sound. Your headlamps might not be shining bright. You check the terminals to make sure there's no corrosion. Check the battery connector. If either of them is broken, power might not be getting to the car. Check the battery indicator. It should be green. If it's not green, the battery might be bad. It could also be your kick. If the car is turning over, then your kick might be bad. That does not, of course, leave out your fuel pump. It might not be supplying fuel to the front. And this will make sure that there is no combustion and your vehicle won't start.
Hey, it have do. Come.
Oga, allow him to talk now. At least the guy, they make sense. They hear him now. They hear
Go to
him.
workshop. Go to workshop. Take Okada. Go to workshop. Ordinary IT. It's ordinary IT. IT come to do here now because boss say you should follow me to outside job now. You are doing falafolo. Carry bike and go back to workshop. So you are turned to engineer now, Abi. You're just turned. You open mouth. Wow. Anyhow. You check the kickstarter. Check battery. Are you my boss? I'm your boss here. Go back to workshop.
Oga, you safe. Check the things then we ain't talk now.
What?
Maybe not the fuel pump or the Kickstarter.
No. Okay. Do your motto now. No, do your motto.
You dey go?
No,
Come.
Okay, do your motto.
Oh yeah, I beg. Go safe. I don't need you again. I'll go call on that person. I'll go check out myself. Waiting.
Find me something.
Something for waiting.
Give me transport at least.
No, you just give him 100 naira now.
That useless, but just give me my 100 naira. It's not your fault. This is why we don't used to do outside job.